I'm gonna blame all this on Mark. He put a root on us. Now, we're under the gun. B's got a $15,000 order for Willie Nelson's granddaughter, Raylan, but now we're out of water. But with the way that Detective Robertson is dogging us, this is the only source of limestone water that I feel comfortable being on. So we've got to come up with a plan to get this spring flowing again.
Like this is when the fun starts.
The vein is shifted down at least a foot from where it was previously. We got to jackhammer that slate deep enough where water will flow over it. That's all I know to do. If you put that bucket right there about where you're at, I'll put it in it. Then you can carry it over on the other side and dump it in that hole.
I'm good at that. When I used to work in cemeteries when I was in high school, I was real good at that stuff. They didn't let me grave dig though, because I was too short to get back out of the hole.
You didn't know how to get on the end of a shovel and pole balls out?
No.
Just didn't teach you boys that down in Alabama, did they?
All right, let me come around you.
Everywhere we go, we got limestone, just no limestone water to speak of. You know, we've got no other options but to dig down and find where this vein dropped to. We're going from limestone to slate to shale.
Dude, this sucks. The terrain is so full of boulders and rocks, and we can't get to it on our own. It's impossible for us to do it with hand tools. I don't think we're making enough headway with the trying to get that channel open down there. So I've got another idea to find some water. Let me see. My plan is, and this is steeped in history, is I'm gonna get a dowsing rod or divining rod. What is this? Oh, okay. This is kind of old school. I saw a Cowboys and Indian movie that had this in it, and I saw people do it on YouTube. It's a divining rod. You cut a Y-shaped limb out of a sapling. Let me just see. You hold it out and you walk with it. You have to hold it lightly and you follow the way the stick kind of pulls you. So it's like I can feel it, something tugging it. Put a little pressure on there, feel a little dynamic tension, and the energy you've created, the kinetic energy you've created by bending the limbs is sensitive to water molecules. Okay, think this way. And you follow the rod and it will take you to water. It is multi-layered. Part of it is spiritual. Part of it is your life energy interacting with the branch. When you put the tension on it and that energy is there, it binds with your own inner strength. And that's what makes this thing work. It's part science, it's part magic, and it's part inner strength. Oh, wait, whoa, here we go. Let me see. Well, I'm gonna find water. I can feel it already. The divining rod has spoken to me time and again. It's like, base this way. No, wait, this way. This is not me. I'm just in the zone. I'm just the vehicle that this wonderful stick is using. So you have to be in tune and listen, not so much with your ears, but with your chi. The way this stick is speaking to me and the way we have bonded throughout this process, I feel like we're really close to water now. Oh, are you kidding me? Wow, I cannot believe that I found this water. Something just made me turn to the right and come here, and lo and behold, hey, Digger, Digger. I have hit the jackpot right now. Saved the day, we have water. Digger is gonna be absolutely amazed. Come check this out. I got this little divining rod.
And you found a pond.
I found the pond.
You see that barn up over the hill there?
Yep.
That's the man that owns it. He found a drainage pond that the neighbors built over here years ago. It's in a pasture field where cattle are placed out in pasture. So all you're getting in this is cow poop that's washed down the hill with rainwater. Well, Bees, this is a hell of a way to start a partnership out.
Well, yeah, we're being tested right out of the gate.
There ain't no way we can dig that out. We need heavier equipment. And I
Kelly's
believe,
got a steam shovel.
well, it's called an excavator. You know, they hadn't used steam since 1800, but I think that it's your turn to call the favor into Kelly. I did it once.
Yeah, I'll get in touch with Kelly and see.
Well, these we got to go on bended knees to Kelly because we cannot do a damn thing without water.
I could not believe my eyes when I went down there with that pump.
You know, our spring dried up. We gave it our level best to try to dig it out by hand, but if we're going to get that rock out of the way, we need heavier machinery. Fortunate for us, our buddy Kelly's got an excavator.
Oh, there he is. This order has got to be delivered on time, so we need that spring yesterday.
What's up, gentlemen?
What are you doing, Kelly?
Good to see you.
Good to see you, man.
Hate to be kind of rude about it, but I'm behind the gun and all that kind of stuff.
That's the exact opposite what we needed to hear from you. We're in a pickle.
We ain't got no water, Kelly. You remember where you dug that spring out for me, dug that reservoir out?
Yeah.
Well, it dried up. That vein has dropped down in that old crawfishy dirt.
Ooh.
If it wasn't for the fact that I got 3 stills set up down yonder, I'd get somebody else come in there and do it, not disturb you, but we can't just let anybody in there.
I get it, but
Yeah,
I
the
mean,
short list of who can help us has one name on it.
well, you put me in like one of those situations. This is a real good paying job. I priced this thing through the
Right.
roof on a timeline basis for these guys, and every day I come in under that timeline, and I'm under it right now 2 weeks. So that's $1,000 a day. That's $14,000 if I'm done in the 2 weeks early.
What can we pay you to get you to come do it, Kelly? What do you charge an hour to run your excavator?
Well, this one's $250 an hour. If this one's not running today, then I'm out $2,500
Right.
plus my $1,000 bonus.
How do you feel if we give him 3,000?
It's got to be done, Bees.
Will you do it for 3,000?
Leave a $3,500 day, drive 3 counties away with another excavator, and make less money than I'm going to do here? You know, I mean, I care about these guys and I care about the fact that they're in need, but, you know, at some point you got to draw that line.
What would it take? Let me ask you that. What would it take? Because we've got to get it done.
You know, if it's going to help you guys out, I'll do it for the $3 grand.
Awesome.
Easy.
Awesome. Brother, thank you.
brother.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
But they're dead in the water without me coming and helping them. So ultimately, I guess, you know, you got to do what a friend's got to do. Are you guys going to meet me over there, or what are we doing?
I'm gonna ride with you.
$3,000, that's a tremendous amount of money, but it's a $15,000 payday.
Let me go get my stuff.
I'll take him over to your truck. He
Okay.
can drop what he needs off.
So we're gonna give him the 3,000 and, you know, like a Killer Bees t-shirt or something. Thank you, man.
Thank you, brother.
Digger has a doctor's appointment today, which makes me the foreman.
I'll try to get in here and dig this way.
Yep.
We'll do what we can.
You want me to try it?
No, I got this.
Kelly's gonna have to go lots deeper than what the spring head is now. That's apparent. But Digger and I would, literally, it would have taken us a month or more to be able to dig that out with shovels and pickaxes. So this is a huge deal.
It's getting muddier.
Now this is a good sign, finally. We're getting material out of the bottom that's wet. Everything else has been pretty dry so far, but it looks like we may be getting near the water table.
See right there where I'm at, I'm caught on a ledge of another rock.
Yeah, that's that rock. There's a chunk of limestone about the size of a Volkswagen Beetle that's embedded in our runoff trough, so we may not get water in that catch pond.
This is not good. It's never gonna cross that rock right there.
I don't know what we're gonna do about this. We were able to get some water out of there, but it's a small trickle, and this won't be enough water for us to run our still site. So this is not gonna work. Dang.